For men suffering from hair loss, their pain point is finally over. With reduced cost in hair transplant, everyone can have their hair back. However, there are 3 types of foods that doctor always advise patient to avoid after hair transplant, or else it will slow down the healing and might even cause other issue to the hair scalp. After a hair transplant, the goal is to promote healing and give those new follicles the best chance to grow and thrive. Your diet can either help or hinder that process. Let's dive into the foods doctors want you to avoid. Alright, food number 1, spicy foods. Now I know a lot of us love our spicy curries or adding that extra kick to our meals, but when it comes to post-transplant care, these fiery treats aren't your friend. Spicy foods can cause inflammation in the body, and this can interfere with the healing process after a hair transplant. Your scalp will already be sensitive and slightly inflamed after surgery, and adding spicy foods can make things worse. It may increase the risk of swelling, irritation, and even infection. So, while you're healing, stick to milder flavors. You can get back to the spicy stuff later. Next up, sugary and processed foods. I know those donuts look tempting, but after a hair transplant, they could slow down your recovery. Sugary and processed foods are high in refined sugars, which can spike your blood sugar levels. This might weaken your immune system and lead to slower wound healing. Plus, processed foods often lack the nutrients your body needs to properly heal and grow healthy hair. Not to mention, they can increase inflammation just like spicy foods. Instead, focus on a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will do wonders for your recovery. And finally, food, or should I say drink, number 3, alcohol. Now this is a big one that doctors always emphasize. Alcohol can thin your blood, which may lead to increased bleeding and slow down the healing process. It also dehydrates your body, including your scalp, which can make it harder for your newly transplanted hair to thrive. You want to keep your scalp as hydrated and nourished as possible, and alcohol works against that goal. So, if you can, stay away from alcohol for at least a couple of weeks post-surgery. Hydrate with water instead. Your scalp will thank you. So, there you have it. The 3 big no-nos after a hair transplant: spicy foods, sugary and processed foods, and alcohol. Avoiding these can really boost your recovery and help you get the best possible results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on hair care, health, and wellness. And hey, if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair.